We gonna show them that we're the bosses.
Seltzer, music production.
Flowers blooming on the green concrete. The flowers are the people, why can't they see? Yeah. What about those having no food to eat? Having no roof, no clothes, no shoes on their feet.
Where we got 2 guns from, they don't care. Cause we don't make no guns around here. Me burn up a legal plus a dragon and beer. Come on, a lion and the lion of fear. Powerful rule and we go a good school. Here what me say, we got the Haitian tool. Rastafari them can't take for fool. Tell the wicked man, me tell the whole of them cool.
Flowers blooming on the green concrete. The flowers are the people, why can't they see? Yeah. What about those having no food to eat? Having no roof, no clothes, no shoes on their feet.
If I me sit down and watch some sports and I burn some weed, I feel say Father, thank you Lord, help me please. Burning out the wicked and me burn them like bees. Cease, me just burn them like bees and get to youth rock. Tell them all the David House rock. What is? Tell them all Judgment Yard rock. Tell them all the Lion Heart rock. What is?
Flowers blooming on the green concrete. The flowers are the people, why can't they see? Yeah. What about those having no food to eat? Having no roof, no clothes, no shoes on their feet.
They got them mashing up the world out there. True political violence. Me burn the eagle plus the dragon and the bear. Before them buy food, them a buy bombs, yeah. Ukraine and Russia beware. Cause anywhere the wickedness, Selassie I near. And the Gaza nation no fear. Burn out the whole Zionists, them, yeah.
Flowers blooming on the green concrete. The flowers are the people, why can't they see? Yeah. What about those having no food to eat? Having no roof, no clothes, no shoes on their feet.
Well, a hungry man is a hungry man. Me tell the youth them fi watch them intention. So stop all the war on the big town. Stop all the war up a John. Lock up already, what you a fight for? You a shoot phone call for kill your brother? No. Stop all the war on the south side. Muslim and Rasta are one life. Alright.
Flowers blooming on the green concrete. The flowers are the people, why can't they see? Yeah. What about those having no food to eat? Having no roof, no clothes, no shoes on their feet. Flowers blooming on the green concrete. The flowers are the people, why can't they see? Yeah. What about those having no food to eat? Having no roof, no clothes, no shoes on their feet.
Seltzer, music production.
Big brother, make some action.
When we pray the one, we just in morning, we enter them, we come into them. Let's fucking say no! Fix the car, man.
Pull up and come again. Celestia, Warrior Sunday. Chiefs. Yes, remember.
be in Trinidad in February. I represent for the biggest cultural event. Not even the weather can prevent. It's carnival season. But more and talk to the youth, them and make the youth them know, say, bro, as a man who's been to prison for almost 13 years, 2 months shy of 13 years, I just want the youth them to understand. Say, bro, life is bigger than gangsterism. Life is bigger than badness. We need the youth them to focus. We need the youth them to have a purpose in life other than death and destruction. So we'll be there to represent Trinidad 2025 up and live. Dog? I'm out.